All right, welcome back. We're going to retrofit the STARR HR6054 5x7 reflector headlamp and the STARR HR6024 reflector high-low beam 7-inch round headlamp with the STARR LED ReadyFit H4 bulb kit. Because the 7-inch round and the 5x7 reflector headlamps are both take the same H4 bulb, we're just going to do one of the two, because once you've done one of these, you can do the other one. The mounting system is identical on both. So for this exercise here, we're going to take our 5x7. This is what the reflector headlamp looks like out of the box, and you'll see that on the back it has a rubber grommet. You pull the rubber grommet off, and underneath there is a clip-in system that holds the H4 bulb in place. Now, just one thing I'll point out is that the rubber grommet, you'll see, has a narrow slot at the top and two wide slots on the bottom here. It's important to note this because when you go to put this back on, you'll want to make sure that it lines up with the vertical post and the two posts at 5 o'clock and 7 o'clock here. So when you take this, you flip it over, and that'll make sure that the rubber lugs sit into proper seating for a proper seal on here. So we'll pay more attention to that when we put this back together. We take the clip, spring load clip down here, and we push this out like so. And you peel the clip back and the bulb just comes out like this. Now, with an H4 halogen bulb, you notice that it has three metal lugs, one at 12 o'clock, one at 7 o'clock, and one at 5 o'clock. And that's really important to note, and you'll notice that the halogen bulb has two filaments. The higher filament is the high beam, and the lower filament that's further back is the low beam, close to the base of the bulb. And on the back of the bulb, you've got your ground, your low, and your high beam, and your posts. And again, looking at the alignment of our rubber grommet, you can see that there. We want to line these up. Okay, let's grab our LED bulb kit. In these kits, you've got two bulbs. And as you can see, the reference posts, 12 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and like the halogen counterpart, you can, if you can see that or not, but the chips are laid out very similar fashion to the filaments in the halogen bulb. So these are going to go in exactly the same way. We take our bulb, note taking the 12 o'clock high slot, and we just drop this in place like so, and we push our clip in, and that holds the bulb firmly in place. We take our rubber gasket, again lining the narrow slot at the top. We turn it around, and with just a little bit of working push this around the base of the bulb. And there you have it. Rubber grommet is on, and we flip this around. It's tougher to see because of the size of the large nose cone, but the post of your LED bulb should be vertical, okay? That is straight up and down, with the LED chips on either side shooting at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock in the reflector housing. That's going to give you the proper beam pattern and alignment that you need. Okay?